Have you guys heard of Printify's express delivery option? If not, you need to watch this video. They're able to guarantee production and delivery within just 2 days of an order taking place. That means if a customer orders a shirt on Wednesday, they will have it in hand by Friday. This is crazy. It sounds a whole lot to me like Amazon Prime, and we know what a difference it makes to have that Prime badge next to an Amazon listing. A whole lot more sales. So this is an absolute game changer and could shape the future of print on demand. Printify is doing something crazy here, and I want to let you know everything that you need to know about it in this video. So let's get to it. So again, my goal is to give you what you need to know about Printify's express delivery in this video. I'm going to link at the top of this video directly to their official resource so you can stay up to date and get even more information on it. Now, what I wanted to start with is this is the fastest delivery in print on demand as of recording this. So that is always an edge that you should be proud of taking advantage of capitalizing on with your business. Customers love fast delivery. I even asked Joanne, a member of my private community, to confirm this, as she was one of the first people to adopt Printify's express shipping. She said customers love it, and she even went back through some of her orders to confirm that they are in fact produced and shipped and received within 2 days of the order taking place. So in summary, Printify Express Delivery is a fulfillment option that offers production and delivery in just 2 working days for a small additional cost. And I'm going to talk about the costs in a second. Here are the details. Express orders at Printify go through a dedicated production process, which means they have a dedicated order flow to ensure speed without any sacrifice in print quality, which also implies that if you have a production partner that you have selected and you enable express shipping, you then lose control over who produces your order, right? They are going to determine who ultimately produces it based on a few factors like where your customer is located and where the printer is located, stuff like that. So there is going to be also a little bit of variability in pricing, as you would expect. So in terms of availability, express delivery is available for merchants selling on Etsy, Shopify, Printify pop-up stores, and Walmart, as well as for ordering manually. Now, currently, as of recording this video, express delivery is offered for the Bella Canvas 3001 t-shirt and the Gildan 5000 t-shirt with front prints. So the Bella Canvas 3001 is available for express shipping in sizes small through 3XL in the colors black, white, navy, dark gray heather, and athletic heather. The Gildan 5000 is available in the same sizes small through 3XL and the colors black, white, navy, and sport gray. And Printify intends to expand this over time. This is just what they started with, a few of the most popular t-shirts in their catalog. In terms of pricing, express delivery is available for just $7.99 up to a maximum of $3.24 extra compared to standard shipping, and it's $2.40 for each additional item. Now, that may seem high for shipping costs, but trust me, when it comes to positioning your products in front of your customer, often people are willing to pay more if they need rush shipping, and you should certainly advertise in your title, on Etsy, in your primary thumbnail, that it ships next day, right? That's certainly something a lot of people are willing to pay for. I mean, again, think about Amazon, guys. They're making a killing selling people the assurance of fast shipping, that they're gonna have their product in hand sooner than later. You can also use this during the holiday season to extend your shipping cutoff date. So when you set products to use express delivery, your orders will be directed to the print provider that is best placed to deliver within 2 business days. As I mentioned, this will result in some variable pricing, and even if you selected your favorite print provider, when you enable the express shipping, it's going to basically undo that. And again, Printify's algorithm will determine who the best printer is. When it comes to configuring express shipping, you are going to need your customer's phone number and email address. So depending on where you're selling, there may be an extra step involved. With Etsy, you can go in and enable personalization and ask the customer and require from the customer those things. In Shopify, you are also able to add this to the checkout as you see here. There's also some additional information and common questions that are answered in the link at the top of the description in Printify's official help resource. For instance, as I mentioned multiple times, will my order be fulfilled by the print provider I selected? And the answer is, when you enable Printify Express Delivery, no, they will determine who fulfills it. There are additional questions related to like print size. All your questions are answered down there in the help resource. I am just a talking head on a screen. I do not work for Printify, but I wanted to make sure I let everybody know that this exists because this can truly be a game changer for your business by allowing you to stand out from the crowd. People are used to buying t-shirts and having to wait a week. That is no longer the case. You can be one of the first people to offer express shipping to your customers. So guys, thank you for watching this video. I will link to the resources that you need in the description to get started. It is easy to enable this even on existing eligible listings in Printify. There's actually a filter in the catalog when you are looking for products that you can add this to as well. So make sure you get in there, play around with it, give it a shot, add a few test listings and see if it makes a difference with your sales. If it does, double down, triple down. I am extremely excited to be adding this to my listings in the future, guys. So check out Printify, again, linked in the description, guys. Thank you for watching. Please hit that like button and subscribe to my channel on the way out if you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. I'll see you tomorrow with a new video.